Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. So this is the sheet where we have all the months directly from the month one, month three, and this one is the list with the addresses only from month one, two, and three. So these are 933 addresses almost, and it's populating the data. Let me load the data again. Okay, so it will make this double. Let me remove the values again and run it one more time. You'll see. Okay, so it's all done. You have the data. So this is the one. Then the second one is this one, which is having the exact addresses, and I try to find out as much as I can. I try to match as much addresses I can match with it. So this is also working fine, and this is also dynamic. And once you will click it, it will start working on it. Let me run this one quickly. As so the only difference between both the files is that this one is with the addresses you provided me, and I try to match maximum possible addresses from all the months, and it's giving much better data than earlier. Still, there are missing in it, but I try to match. So these are both the solution. The second one is the exactly for the specific week, and I have made the file name same so that you can identify it from there as well. So please let me know if you need any further assistance. Thank you.